forward, please. Dekai Kindat. Benda Syarai Marwin. Run. And the champion among the women, Ms. Pinhon Shillong. Give her a big hand. Pinhon Shillong. Come on, give a big round of applause, everyone. You top team, champion, the Shillong 10K. Yeah, and now we will come to the... And the third prize goes to whom? Ribet Dakar. Ribet Dakar. Third position. Congratulations, Ribet. Tahap ketiga ni, siap aja, come on. All right. Then apa Assam? Birth certificate.
Once again. Have the results online by this evening, latest tomorrow. So you can actually go to the website, Shillong Run Meghalaya website, and go under results. And if you put in your bib number, you can see your timing if you haven't got the message yet. But the winners also will be announced on that, and we'll also announce it on our website. We will contact you individually, the rest of the prize winners and the age categories, to give you a prize money and certificate. Thank you so much.